Learn how to install Google Chrome on Kali Linux. Let's just get right into it. Alright, for you to install Chrome on Kali Linux, these are the steps. First is to open your default web browser, which is Firefox. I'll click on that. As the Firefox browser opens, you have an interface that looks like this. Click inside the search area, then type google.com. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Once the Google page opens, the next step is to click here and type Chrome or Google Chrome. Okay, let's go with Google Chrome in this case. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. This will return some search results. And this first one, Google Chrome, will lead you to the web page for you to install this. So I'll click on this. You will be taken to this web page. Click on download Chrome. Then it detects the best for you, which is 64-bit .deb for Debian and Ubuntu. Okay, so it depends on the type of Linux operating system you're using. All right, so allow this one that is selected by default. And the next step is to click on accept and install. So it says thanks for downloading, but hold on, it is still installing. Okay, it's still downloading. So give it time until this line, this blue stuff gets to the end, which means it has been completely downloaded into your PC. All right, in this case, this is done installing. So is in the downloads folder of my PC right now. So I can click on this for it to open. I can take another route. So I want to go with another route. So take your cursor to this, all right, where you have Kali Home. Click there and select Open Folder. Once the folder opens, click on the Downloads option. Okay, so look at the Downloads folder, click there. Now look at the file we just downloaded. All right, click on this. From the list of options provided for you, select Open Terminal here. Okay. You'll be taken to this page. There are some lines of code you're going to type in. So let me drag this to this side and then let me type that. All right, look at the line of code here. It is sudo dpkg, then you give space dash I, followed by the name of the application file. Okay, so this one that is here, Google, okay, I made a mistake here, so it's gonna be Google E, okay. All right, so you can see that Google dash, okay, Chrome dash stable underscore current underscore AMD dot deb. That's Debian. Okay, so is this file that I just quoted, and because it's correct, you can see the name has now been made boot. So once you finish typing this, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Then it requests for my password. I will type in. So type in your own password. It will not show on the screen, but just type it on the keyboard, and after that press enter. So hold on for everything to be updated and the app made active to work. All right, so this file has been installed, but let's test out to know if it's here really. So this application, which is Google Chrome in this case. So for you to check, click on this application section, which has the icon of Kali Linux 2025. So click there. Then type the name of the app you just installed, which is Chrome in this case, or Google Chrome. Okay, I can see Google Chrome is here. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on IT. So, subscribe to learn some IT knowledge. All right? Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.